Children, I am Narendra Kaur Pandey. In my this video, I want to explain about the numbers. How number will be made, how you will be able to find out one digit number, two digit number, three digit number, four digit number, like that. So, and what the first of all, let us know what the number is basically. Number is a mathematical object. It is a through which we can measure something, we can level something, and we can count something. So, these are the mathematical objects which are used for measurement, which are used for leveling, which are used for counting. Now, we must know which are original numbers. Original numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All these are original numbers. In my last video, which I had made in which I had made for the students of class 4, that was in Hindi. In this time, I want to make it in English actually, and this video will be useful for class 3rd and class 4 for both actually. In my last video, actually I had discussed, which I will discuss again. There are two type of numbers. One is odd number. For number, I will use sometimes in short NO. So two type of numbers will be there. I hope you must be knowing. What are odd numbers? Odd numbers are those numbers which cannot be divided by 2, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and so on. And even numbers are those numbers which can be divided by 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and so on. Okay, I hope you must be knowing that. Now, regarding the digits, how many digit numbers will be there? It may be one digit number which can start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This one we have found this is lowest number. Likewise, this is greatest number, or sometimes it is called highest number also, and sometimes lowest number is also called shortest number. So we have found what the one digit number is. In one digit number, as I had written, 9 is the greatest number. Just you add 1. What you will get? 10, which is lowest number of 2 digit. This is the lowest number of 2 digit. Next number will be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so on. And the last one will be 99. This is greatest or highest number, isn't it? So we have found that 99 is greatest number of 2 digit. Am I correct? Just you add plus 1. What you will get? It is 100, which is of 1, 2, 3, 3 digit number, and it is lowest number, because below than that there will not be any 3 digit number. So this is ultimately lowest number of 3 digit. Okay, after this it will become 101, 102, 103, 115, 169. Suppose again it will, last one will be 999, 999. This is the greatest number. Okay. So suppose 4 digit number. We have to find out. What is the lowest number? How will we be able to find out? Lowest number. Just before this 4 digit number, which digit has come? 3 digit number. And the highest or greatest number of 3 digit is, we have seen, it is 999, 999, 999. Just you add 1, it will be 1000, which is a 4 digit number, and that is lowest number, because below than 1000 there is no 4 digit number, hence this is lowest number. And what will be highest number of or greatest number of 4 digit? That is 4 times 9. 9,999. Okay. So 4 digit number is also clear. Now let us see. So in this way, any number of digits you can find out, and the numbers starting with the 1 will be the lowest number, and the number starting with 9 will be greatest number. Now regarding the place of any number, suppose 4 digit number is there, 3 5 4 3. We have to find out the place of the number. You see, this 3 will come in the place of ones. This 4 is the place of tens. This 5 is the place of 100, and this 3 is the place of 1000. In short, we'll be writing it instead of writing so much in detail. Just O. The moment I will write O, you have to understand that it is ones. This tens, I will denote it with T. Hundreds, I will denote it by H, and thousands, I will denote it by TH. So what we have found is, for 3 is at the place of 1000, 5 is at the place of 100, 4 is at the place of tens, 3 is at the place of ones. So I hope this place also must be clear to you after this. Now let us know about the expansion. How you will be able to expand the number. Suppose number is 3 5 8 4. How you will be able to make it in expanded form? It can be elaborated with a figure, like say this is 3. There are 4. For 3, this is the stick. For 5, this is the stick. For 8, this is the stick. For 4, this is the stick. In all the sticks, we have to put the beads, plastic beads. Suppose for 3 beads will be there. This is at the place of 3 is at the place of 1000. 5 is at the place of 100. 8 is at the place of 10. 4 is at the place of 1. Okay. So here it is written 3. So just put 3 beads here. Here it is 5 at the place of 100. So put 5 beads here. Here it is 8. So 8 beads will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here it is 4. So at the place of ones, it should be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how will be writing in expanded form? This write 3 expanded form will be, it starts with 3, so write 3, and this 3 is at the place of 1000, so write 1000. Now next one is 5, so write 5, and it is at the place of 100, so write 100. Now next figure is 8, so write 8, and it is at the place of 10, so write 10, means 8 tens, which makes 80. Okay, 8 tens will be 80 because 8 tens are 80. Okay, now at the place of 4 it is 4, so just write 4. So it makes expanded form will be 3584. This is expanded form. Got it now? Again, say 9574. This is the number, and you have to write its expanded form. So how many bits will be there in this asterisk? It should be 9, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this makes 9. The next one is, and this is at the place of 1000, remember. Next one is 5. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already 5 bits are here in this system. Then next one is, and this 5 is at the place of 100. You have to remember it. Then again it is 7. So how many sticks? How many bits will be there in this stick? 7, altogether 7, because 7 is the figure here in tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Again, at the place of ones, altogether 4 is there. So now you have to write the expanded form. This makes 9. First you write this 9. Expanded form will be 9, and it is at the place of 1000. So write 1000. Now next one is 5. Write 5, and it is at the place of 100. So write 100. The next figure is 7, which is at the place of 10. So 7 tens makes 70, isn't it? 7 tens makes 70, because 7 tens are 70, isn't it? So it makes 70. And the next figure at the place of ones is 4. So just mention 4. So the expanded form will be 9574. This is, children, this is expanded form. So I hope you must have understood the place using this stick and bits. Okay, you can also make this one. Now suppose expanded form will be given and then you have to find out the numbers, like eight thousand 326, and you have to find out the number. What will be the number? This is 8,000. So write 8 and 1,000. Place is 1,000. So 8,000 means altogether 4-digit number is there. So it will be 8,000. Give plus sign. Then next one is 300. So it will be 300. The next one is 20. Means it will be 20 at the place of tens, and then next at the place of 1 it is 6. So it will be, you have to take 8 over here. Out of this you have to take 3. Out of this 20 you have to take 2. Out of 6 you have to take 6. So it is 8,326, and that is what the number is which you had to find out, isn't it? One more example will say 2,336 37. You have to find out the number. Its number. How you will do that? Just take this one. What is the number? Number is 2 and 2,000. So it will 2,000 means it is at the place of 1,000. So 3, it will make 2,000 first, because altogether it is a 4-digit number. 2,000 makes, will 2,000 means it will be making 4-digit number. Then 300 means it will be 3-digit number. That's a 3, isn't it? And 30 is at the place of tens. Means 30 means 3 into 10, because it is at the place of tens. So it will be 30, and at the place of ones it is 7. So it makes, here you have to take this 2, then it is 3, then out of this 3, and then 7. So children, it makes 2,337, isn't it? So I hope you are knowing now how you will be able to expand any number, and if any expanded form will be there, how you will be able to make a number. Both the questions, if given to you, you will be able to solve, isn't it? And suppose if any number will be there, I have explained about the place also. You will be able to find out the place of any number also. And if anybody will be asking you one digit number, two digit number, three digit number, four digit number, lowest number, greatest number, you'll be able to find out, because when greatest number of any digit will be given to you, and the next higher digit number, lowest number, if you will have to find out, just you have to add 1 in the greatest number of previous one. You will be getting the lowest number of the next one. So that is the process, children. So if you are, I hope everything will be clear to you, and if you are liking my this channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon so that I can notify you my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day, children. See you again.